to intervene and assist Chris Ayunga Barake. Chris Barake Ayunga, Kenyan citizen and a holder of passport number B203878, traveled to India as a student and joined Kantaka University. He was arrested on 6th October 2023 for cyber fraud and charged with the offense of identity theft and cheating by impersonation using computer resources under the Information Technology Act of India. He was also charged under the Foreigners Act for not having a valid visa. He is being detained at Nelamangala detention camp in Bangalore, pending determination of his case. The second aspect of the question Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The second aspect of the question is measures being taken by the ministry to facilitate the family in reuniting with Mr. Chris Barake. Mr. Ayunga has an advocate representing him in court. He was granted a personal bond of 200,000 Indian rupees with one surety of the same amount. However, he is yet to be released until he renews his visa to enable the trial court to make further orders for his release. He has paid for the renewal of the visa, which is under review by the Indian government. Our mission in New Delhi makes welfare checks on Mr. Ayunga, and the latest check was on 16th April 2025, and they have confirmed he is in good health. The mission has also been following up on the progress of the case and makes regular updates to the family. The third aspect is measures being taken to safeguard Kenyans in foreign countries. The government has a constitutional mandate to protect its citizens, including those in the diaspora. And there are several measures, a raft of measures, in place to safeguard Kenyans in foreign countries. Mr. Speaker, I'll try to highlight some of them, but most of them are in the written statement answer that I've already provided. One is continuous registration of Kenyans abroad at the embassies and at the State Department of Diaspora Affairs for accountability. The government has also signed several labor agreements and still negotiating others aimed at safeguarding the rights and welfare of Kenyans working abroad. We have also introduced mobile consular services, outreach programs, to be able to reach as many Kenyans abroad in remote parts away from where the embassies are, to be able to assist them to get the relevant travel documents. The State Department of Diaspora Affairs has also developed a legal aid information framework and pre-departure manuals to provide Kenyans going abroad with information on their rights and essential basic information of their country of destination. The government has also established a clear reporting channel where Kenyans in the diaspora or their relatives in Kenya can report any kind of distress through the ministry's e-citizen portal. Our hotline numbers and emails are through are on through the 24-hour call center at the State Department of Diaspora Affairs. Kenya missions abroad have consular desks, mainly staffed by immigration attachés, who handle consular concerns, issue citizens with necessary documents, and assist with the repatriation of mortal remains. They also pay consular visits to Kenyans in detention centers, prisons, hospitals, and deportation centers to provide consular assistance. However, not all missions have immigration attachés, hence it is critical for the ministry to bolster the workforce in the missions abroad. During emergency situations, the government carries out evacuation of Kenyans from affected countries. For Kenyans in conflict with the law, the missions facilitate them with service of a translator, more so in non-English speaking countries, to ensure they understand the court proceedings. In certain cases, mission staff attend court hearings. While they do not offer legal representation, they monitor the cases to ensure the right to fair trial is not violated and keep the families updated on progress. And these two aspects relate to the case in question. Kenyans in distress who have no passports are provided with emergency travel documents to facilitate repatriation, and the State Department of Diaspora Affairs supports with tickets where families are unable to procure tickets. Through diaspora engagements, Kenyans are continuously sensitized and urged to observe the rules and laws of their host countries to avoid violation of laws. Finally, the State Department has also developed a diaspora mental health action plan to facilitate engagement with the diaspora to offer counseling services. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Gaka, if you have any supplementary, after that I'll allow two joyriders.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I am happy with what the ministry is doing, save to, on behalf of the family, request that under the presumption of innocence until proven guilty in the common law regime where India falls, I do plead that the ministry does assist the student not to miss his university examinations while under detention. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
That's just a comment. Maklap.